Welcome to How to Play Clubs. To play clubs, you will need a 52-card deck and 3 players. The dealer will deal out all the cards into 4 hands, 1 card at a time. Each player gets a hand, and there will be 1 extra hand known as the bid hand. Clubs is a trick-taking card game. A trick is created by each player playing a card into the middle. The player with the highest ranking card will win the trick. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest, down to the 2s being the lowest. The club-suited cards will outrank all other suited cards. This means that the 3 of clubs outranks the queen of diamonds to win this trick. The object of the game is to score points. Points are scored if a player takes more than 4 tricks in a round. Points are lost if a player takes less than 4 tricks in a round. Going back to the hands that were dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. The player left of the dealer has the first option to exchange their cards for the bid hand in the middle. Alex chooses to stay with the hand dealt to her. The option moves to Luke, who will exchange hands. Luke's original hand now becomes the bid hand. Haley has the option to exchange cards with the new bid hand, but chooses not to. After the card exchange phase, the gameplay begins. The last player to exchange cards with the bid hand is the first player to play. Luke exchanged last and plays first. Luke can play any card other than a club to start the round. Luke leads the ace of spades. Play moves left to Haley. Haley must play a card in the same suit that was led if possible. A player must also play a higher ranking card if possible. Haley follows suit with the 10 of spades, as she cannot outrank the ace. Alex follows suit with the 4 of spades. Luke wins the trick. The player that wins the trick will lead the next trick. Luke leads the next trick with the 6 of hearts. Play continues until all cards have been played. Once all the tricks have been played, the players will count the tricks taken in the round. Any tricks over 4 tricks taken in a round will score points. Tricks taken below 4 will lose a player points. Alex and Luke both took 5 tricks and score 1 point each. Haley only took 3 tricks and will score -1 point. The scores are recorded, and the first player to 11 or more points wins the game. A club's suited card cannot be led to a trick until they are broken. Clubs are broken when a player cannot follow the lead suit and plays a trump card, or if a player only has club-suited cards left to lead. A player must always follow the lead suit and play a card higher in ranking if possible. If a player cannot follow the lead suit, they must play a trump-suited club if possible. If a player cannot follow suit or play a higher ranking card, they can play any card. If you enjoyed learning how to play clubs and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.